Hey guys, my name is Patrick, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what a tennis player is. So the three main things I'm going to talk about is a little bit about myself, the difficult times of being a tennis player, and the last thing is going to be the good things from being a tennis player and this talent. So we all have a talent, we all do. My talent is tennis. You could have a talent in soccer, football. It could be anything. It doesn't even have to be a sport. It can be eating, numbers. It could be anything. You could be a grown man or woman and thinking, I haven't discovered my talent yet. Well, you might not have discovered it yet, but you could also have discovered it, but not just not knowing it yet. So tennis players in general is going through a lot of different tough times when no one else is knowing that it's a tough time. And in the matter of fact, I can vouch for that since I've been playing tennis for 14 years. Since I've been playing 14 years, I'd like to talk a little bit about myself. I've won 12 national championships in total. I've been in top 40 in Europe, and I've been top 180 in the world in juniors. And before all these accomplishments, I already knew I had this talent, so I carried it out. One of my coaches told me that a long time ago, and he said, "Use your talent wisely," and I did. But with this talent and being a tennis player, there's a lot of different difficulties comes. All the early sacrifice you have to make at a young age. You have to cut some of your friends. Some of the things as well as being a teenager, all your hormones and a lot of stuff is going through your mind. And with that, there comes loneliness. So with all the sacrifices and all the stuff you're going through while being a teenager, and you cut some of your friends, you feel a little bit lonely. You travel by yourself. I traveled a lot of by myself. Um, but when all that comes together, and what this talent has brought me, it's the best thing I could think about. The accomplishment is one thing, the amazing memory is another thing, but mostly like all the friends I've got to get and got to know from all over the world. So many good experiences with them, and I mean I wouldn't change it for anything. So don't be afraid of making these sacrifices because they'll come back to you. They'll even up the sacrifices you've made with something even better maybe. And one of the most important things about this and having a talent, going through all this kind of stuff, and all these different difficulties with you carrying this talent out, is be real with yourself. Don't set unrealistic goals. I like this one quote. It's a little bit funny. Um, it says, "You do it or you don't." It's actually by Yoda from Star Wars, if anyone's seen the movie. But I always carried that with me the whole time since I was very little. I like it. So today I've shared with you my experience of a tennis player and carrying out a talent, the difficulties and the struggle and all the good things. So you can use this information by being afraid of your talent, not carrying it out if you know what it is, but you can also think of this as an amazing experience, amazing amazing memories you'll get. You could tell your grandkids, all this stuff. And then lastly, I would like to say that always respect athletes. They go through a lot of different times you don't know. It's by the unseen. You can't see it. You can't feel it. They're going through a lot of rough times, so always respect them. Thank you.